Welcome to 7 Apple Hotel's YouTube channel. In today's mouth-watering recipe video, we bring you the delectable Aloo Pyaaz ki Sabzi in Jaipur style. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with our easy-to-follow chef's recipe. Step 1. Heat up 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, coriander seeds, onion seeds, fennel seeds and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Give it a good stir and then add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Moving on to step 2, it's time to add 4 large chopped onions and 4 chopped tomatoes along with a pinch of salt. Let them cook for a while. As the onion turns translucent, it's time to add a dash of turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chilli powder and garam masala powder. Mix everything together perfectly. Step 3. To enhance the creaminess, add 2 spoons of curd and 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now let's add 4 to 5 fried baby onions and potatoes in the paste. Allow the mixture to cook for some time and letting the flavors melt. Finally, for a finishing touch, add a spoonful of curd and a half tablespoon of methi leaves. Stir it all together and letting the sabzi simmer to perfection. Your delicious aloo ki sabzi is ready to be served. Serve it with hot steamed rice or freshly baked chapatis. Totally up to you. Stay tuned for new regional recipes and don't forget to like, subscribe and share your recreation in the comments below. Happy cooking!